Hey guys, this is Ronald Dimillo and you're watching Just Here and There. I hope you're doing well. It is summertime in Germany and it refers to a warm, vibrant weather from June to August. During summer, Germany transforms into a vibrant canvas of colorful flowers and sweet, sun-kissed fruits. Summer in Germany is an eagerly awaited season defined by lush green trees, pleasantly warm weather, and long sunlit evenings that stretch out until nearly 10 pm. Roses have their moment in June month. June month is like their opera, colorful, scented, and mesmerizingly beautiful. Flowers at this time in Germany feels like country exhaling after a long winter. From June to August, everything turns soft and wild and impossibly alive. The season itself is defined by rich contrasts, blending traditional floral aesthetics with iconic sweeping regional displays. Summer in Germany is a breathtaking sensory experience. Across the country, rolling hills, ancient forests, and manicured town squares transform into vibrant seas of colors. When we look at a flower, we are immediately struck by its delicate beauty. We see the intricate petals, the vibrant colors, and the graceful curves of its form. We are drawn in by its fragility and its vulnerability, and yet we know that this beauty is fleeting. For your information, in summer, Germany is teeming with hundreds of honeybee and wild bee species foraging through gardens and meadows. These pollinators are highly protected across the country because they play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Catching them, harming them, or killing them is strictly prohibited and can carry hefty fines. As I said before, there are also plenty of fruits in summer in Germany. More about the German summer fruits in my next video. But in this video, I will show you plenty of flowers. I hope you like it. If you like my work, then please do subscribe, share, and support. Bye for now.